going to show you all my 2022 World Cup
cards from the World Cup 2022 Qatar, because I've been there. So the first card I'm going to show you is Jordan Ayew, the Japan team crest,
Tunisia team
crest,
Leroy Sane,
and Leroy Sané,
Kai Havertz,
good player,
Abdulaziz Hatem,
them,
Brian Ruiz, Gabriel Jesus, Ricardo Pepi, Abu Bakar, Nicola Chaparenko,
Anthony Contreras, and I'll get a part 2.